to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you my daughter's room, not makeover, because we're actually making her entire room right here behind me. So this, as you can tell, is our loft, playroom, / many things happen in this room. We eat here, we watch movies, we watch Bluey most of the time, or dinosaurs. But now, because we don't have enough space for my daughter in her brother's closets, we are officially evicting her from there and she is moving into her own room. So I will be bringing you a series of a room makeover for both Fernando and Santiago, and we're gonna be completely making EmmaLuna's room, which I'm very excited about because I've always dreamed of having a little girl's room. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video.
So let me show you guys the before.
So let's get everything started by demoing, which is not really a lot of demo, but you know what I mean. Pretty much our very first day, what we did is clear out our big couch filled with toys throughout, gave a few pets. I cleaned up most of the time. Fernando and Jorge did the big job, which was take down that couch as a West Elm couch. It was very heavy, but the job was done. There's more toys. So this is where it got real because he started marking the floor where the wall for the room was going to start, the door, and Fernando and I days before sat down and really try to figure out the best layout for the room. I just didn't want her to be directly off the window. I knew she was gonna have to be by the window, but just not like the bed flat on the window. So that was very important to me. Here I got distracted by those beautiful blue eyes. Look at him, he's so cute, the little thing. Let me take it. Oh, he's so cuddly. That was his favorite window. So I feel really bad that I took that away from him. But I bought him a brand new cat bed, so he is doing just fine with the transition as well. As you can tell here, we framed the room completely and things started moving along really fast. I got a surprise that I even got my linen closet, which I was so excited about because I desperately needed a linen closet. I was just ready for them to finish so that I can start the decor, painting, and finishing up the room so that my daughter can finally enjoy her own space. It is official! It's all done! And Fernando is patching up all the holes. You might have to patch up this one too because I don't know where the chair is gonna go, babe.
Which one?
My plant, yeah.
And
And
use the same hook?
no, I don't think that can stand me and Emma on the swing. They removed the light fixture and my mom already started priming the wall. Fernando did a really good job covering up all the floor this morning. He woke up super early to do this with Jorge. Oh, you did it by yourself, Biff?
I did it by myself.
Oh yeah, he did it by himself. So we really like to use primer before we start painting because anytime we have brand new texture walls, they tend to eat a lot of the paint, like it absorbs the paint, right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
And so it's just a waste of paint. So that's why we feel like priming is essential whenever you have like a brand new wall. Look at my cabinet, guys. I actually got everything today, so I am going to be making you a linen cabinet organization video, which I'm very excited about that. I went to Target earlier today to pick up all the stuff that I'm gonna be using here, and I got all my Amazon stuff for it too. So I will be working on this as well. I'm just trying to take it like one project at a time. So I have a bunch of projects. I even got my cat a new cat bed.
Oh yeah, you don't finish one and you start the other.
Yeah, I know, because I'm just so excited to do everything. My mom's almost done with one wall. We started with the closet because I really, really want to get the closet done. The closet is my priority. Bye-bye, black wall.
You need the pink stuff, baby?
The pink stuff?
It's over there.
This is the progress so far today, everyone. Yesterday, we painted white, the white part of the room. As you can see, today we taped, and I actually got to draw in the scallops using this little handy plate right here, all along the wall. So what we're doing right now is we're putting the paint and we're putting a coat of white paint so it can seal the tape, and nothing will run through the tape. Fernando's doing the bottom part because all of this is gonna be pink. It's happening. The pink is going in. Oh my God. That's only the first coat, obviously. Guys, how satisfying is this? Look. Look at my scallop wall, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. Hey, look how pretty. Isn't it beautiful? Tell me it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
You like my design so far?
Yes.
This is the best.
The scallops came out really nice.
Yeah.
I was doubting you on those, but
I know, you always doubt me.
You did good.
Thank you. Still needs a second coat because you can still see the pencil. But nevertheless, they look gorgeous, darling. Okay, so we're officially on the second coat. I've already done all that wall and that wall over there. I'm just finishing up this and behind the door, but we are officially done with the pink and we're moving on to the wallpaper behind me. So excited. So the wallpaper was a little tricky to put on. The design didn't always match with the next wallpaper piece that we had to put on. But we managed to do it at the end of the day and it looked amazing. And we had some of the wallpaper left over, so we decided to use it inside of the closet to give it like an accent wall where we were gonna have the shelving. We thought it was gonna look amazing, so we ended up doing that. She said, I don't want these flowers, I want Elsa.
I agree with her. Oh my goodness, what is that measuring tape?
Finished installing the first step of the closet, I went ahead and started building all the drawers so that we can finish with the second step. After my little happy dance there, Fernando finished installing all the drawers and he moved on with installing all of the shelving, and this is the final look. Almost final, because as you can tell, I had room for more shelves, so we decided to purchase a few more from IKEA. But in the meantime, I decided to just install the curtain rod. I was just ready to get this room done with. So I said waste no time, and even though I started out doing this, Fernando is very OCD, even though he does not admit to it, and he just wanted to make sure that I put the screws in the studs. So he came to supervise, and then he ended up just doing the whole thing all by himself. The The next day, I got to work on the infamous dresser. This dresser is very tedious to build, but I love it because it's so nice. I think IKEA did a great job on this one. So I said, nope, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna finish it so that I can start moving in her clothes. I was already doing laundry, so I was like, perfect, let me just get this over with. And so yeah, I decided to just finish up the dresser and build the drawers. It is day like 10 of building my daughter's bedroom. I'm so excited today because we got the bed. So I'm gonna start building it right now. This is what we've got so far. It's been a little tedious, but nothing too bad. Nothing is broken. We got this off Amazon, so a lot of the reviews said that the screw holes were not lining up. So far, so good. Fernando, this is all he does. He never helps.
I built this thing by myself.
But that is what it looks like so far. What do you think, babe?
I like it.
So where did we get this from, babe?
This one we bought from Costco.
In case anybody was wondering. So this is the comforter that we're going to be using for her. It's by Betty's. Makes it so simple when it comes to just making their bed every morning. All my kids have Betty's. I decided to go with a pink, which goes really well with her wallpaper. So it worked out. What do you think, babe? You like it?
I do like it. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I do.
Pretty?
Looks good with the flowers on the wallpaper.
And it's a very neutral pink, and I'm gonna show you the little bumpers. I'm not sure if the bumpers that I got her are gonna work because we originally bought those bumpers for a different size bed, but we're gonna try them. This is what's so cool about Betty's, guys. It just wraps around, and they have a new technology now.
Ma, you gotta make the ladder?
Huh?
Ma, you gotta make the ladder?
No, there's no ladder needed here.
The first time.
Yeah. First time.
It feels really, really nice.
It's really good quality. Yeah. So I thought it looked really, really good with the design that we're going with here. This is what the sheet looks like. And then this is like a minky, cozy. It's super cozy, super soft blanket. I was under the impression I bought these a white color, but I bought them in a natural color, so I don't know. I think I'm just gonna have to stick with it because I don't want to have to return them.
got her this nightlight. She's a big Elsa fan. Just wanted to make sure she had some Frozen incorporated into her room because she transitions from princess to princess. So this week might be Elsa, next week might be some other. So that she can see it and she can feel like, yay, I have some sort of princess in my room. Lastly, what we need to do is paint this so we can finally finish this project. Everything else is pretty much done. The last thing that I'm actually waiting on is just the artwork that I ordered for her and one of her pictures that I'll be putting up in her room. But other than that, everything is pretty much ready to go. So yeah, let's just get this done with. It is officially done, guys. Well, that is it for this video today. I just want to thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It truly helps us keep motivated to continue to make videos like this for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.